Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today I would like to share with all of you a tutorial on how you can share a document or any files from your Google Drive with other persons or other people. Okay, firstly, make sure you are logged in to your Gmail account or Google Drive account, and then straightly you go for the file that you want to share. Right click on it, and then you will see share options. Right, this is the first step. By having the share options, click here and then put the email address of the people or the person that you want to share. Okay, for example, I'm putting one email account here. Right, and then you can also put other person's email. Okay, for example, I'm putting at gmail.com, and then the next step, please make sure you take the options that you are giving the permissions to these persons. Right, for example, can edit, it means those person can edit or do the amendment to the original document. Comment, they just can have comment options. Okay, the button for the comment only. And then view, they just can view those document without doing any amendment. Right, it's up to you. For example, I'm allowing them to do the editing, so please do amend this document. Alright, okay, then just notify the people so they can have the news on this document, and you can click send. Or else you want to see the advanced part here. Okay, in the advanced part they have the options where you can also link to share. If anyone's have the accessible link here, so the collaborators can have it. All right, this one, the other options. Okay, and then you can also do the setting on here. Who has access? Private only, you can access it. You want to change it, you can just click there. Want to have all the people on the public of the web, public on the web can have this access. Either they have if either or they have signed in or not. Okay, and then on anyone with the link, or else of specific for those certain people. Okay, it's up to you. Then click save. For example, this one, I want to have this one, and then just click save, and it's saved. After that, you can also put this one. For example, we already have the Gmail account, and just click send. Okay, after that it's finished, click done, and it's done. Okay, till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.